Assalamualaikum. Stand up first. Part 4. Topic. Let's talk. आओ बातचीत करें. Listen, speak and act. सुनो, बोलो और अदाकारी करो. Teacher, what do you do? I teach reading and writing too. Doctor, what do you do? I help patient with cold and flu. Farmer, what do you do? I grow crops for you. Soldier, what do you do? I fight with enemies and protect you. Policeman, what do you do? I help people and keep you safe. Student, what do you do? I read and write a story. When we grow up, what do you want to be? I want to be doctor. Thank you.